Hi Thrive families! Today I wanted to share with you how you can join our Thrive Dance Facebook group. We have a lot of exciting things coming over the next few weeks as we go virtual, and a lot of them are going to be happening in this Facebook group, so we would love to get you all into this group. So this is on Facebook. If you have an account or you don't, no problem, we can get you set up and signed up and good to go. So first things first is head over to facebook.com. and you're going to sign up if you don't have an account, or you're going to enter your information and log into your Facebook account. From there, you're going to hit the search bar at the top and you're going to type in Thrive Dance and just click enter. Once you've clicked enter and searched, you should see the Thrive Dance Studio page pop up, and feel free to like us. And the second one should be the Thrive Dance group, and you're going to see group underneath the name. This is what we're looking for. If this is not showing up for you, feel free to look at this top bar up here and click on the groups. This is going to sort your search by the category, so only groups will show up, and you should definitely see the Thrive Dance group. I've already joined the group, but this button here would say join, just like this one down here. And you're just going to click that and you will have joined the group. And when you're in there, we have a lot of our Thrive families already in here. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to stay connected with the Thrive community and feel like your second family is with you all the time. And like I said, we have a lot of really exciting things happening in this group over the next couple of weeks with our virtual studio, and we cannot wait to see you all online and connect with you even more. So if you have any questions or struggles while you're doing this, feel free to reach out to us and we will help you in any way we can. Thanks so much for watching this, and we can't wait to see you online.
Can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my